Kharesada Khamataya Baobing. State government na Manipurli ILB implement sa kawai challenge khara psychology ngasungra the Chief Minister N Biren Hanga. Aya ushoibi Aya Ushoy Bogbi Sangom Shangwi, Taubal District Li Bom Kangogli, AR Personal Akati Haira Gala Kangadea Kasaza Haira. Infalay na hapok laga more wi railway line final location survey hi kachang madiwi alungdi hapok hara kapungdam bak ngasun kabay abamli ring railway line de hara jihaira. Mami TV, Tangkhul News, LEISHIPEM VALUI na ari gushok pau ba mili. State government na inner line permit system Manipurli implement kasawi maramli sakbay ay na challenge khara gutong khaling sungra jihaira. Tuihi nga darla kay na Chief Minister N Biren na aya haingang Assembly constituency wi thongkhani thargat khwika khamili kahang na thongkhani ji Imphal rival li khalai khabam mayai laikai nga them laira kala mongjam achan pike awang laikai wi atung ni semka ka haina. Chief Minister N Biren na hanga chia achontang state cabinet meeting kwikaka jili Manipurli ILB implement kasari challenge khara saigor ngasungra da ngadalakay na tuita kwihaira state government na kali khai na tangda Manipurli munggabay phaikar ga khwili kasai kha akhon mashokla mangashan mara jihaira chikatha phaikar ga khwijbing dile juwi kacha aina Union Home Ministry aina state government na deal sara da anahanga Afspa wi maramli khangahan ga saling han gagasa da Biren hanga center kala state government nangarum laga Manipur wi situation hi yang laga Afspa hi khushok paini kamu khushok paini khala da yang song rum haira ground situation hi yang sang khangarum li khangahan gasa hi takar ngasa haira chita ka maina yang gasang hila kali khada ground situation hi matha sang hai akha Afspa hi khushok hara da ngadala kaina shitsanga ngadala kaina government hi Afspa hi minganing room na da Biren hanga.
Men ki development program hojik ki di adum continue to gani election code of conduct la phokra ka su hana hogi thabak sing di do sing gani ngara ma honorable prime minister la pir ma ga tawri du mana inaugurate or thabak sing khoi continuously adum su gani sat kani inaugurate means foundation stone to rum sing do adu ga loisan dana lai ri thabak sing si ba ngarang su singi ga gi habi by March ending at least 60% or and by March ending that the 80% gumba te water drinking water se cover to ngana ba na ai khoi madu gi ILP the singer ebo kangbu du thangna gani moi du Manipuri khoi gi phanan ba khan ba kangbu nate Manipuri khoi gi domination to ge habi gi wakhalon lai ba kangbu ni moi khari do adu honorable supreme court the chatpani na khoi su legal gi through the up to the maximum level I'll protect on the Tanagani, Union Home Minister, Nasu, Union Home Ministry is Haitaki, government Haitaki, Sutawuni, said government is Haitaki, head up to the last quitting. Absolutely, Matang, the review to Minari, the central government situation, review to Minari, other situation she improved already. Center national only having more than and the ground situation but we are totally against the egg and we are pursuing to leave it.
Lilong Police Station Azingli Khalai Taubal District wi Ushoy Bokpi Shangwamshang area li zakmai magatay bingna haiga sa bom khangogli Assam Rifles Tharata Tharuk na jaili akhamawan sa thui haira kala khangadai akhli zakshila kaina saza haira bomb ji remote controlled improvised explosive device na da khuya kala bomb ji ayang azin bung aka minute hangmadi mai khali apam chidi 16 AR wi groups aphaye na petrol kazat atam ni khangogna mawan sa thui ka hai mi baji rifleman wang suna da phashok haira kala saja ga hai rifleman we aming pingu das na da phashok haira ali ngaha khawai shiza hospital li khika haira kuchuyang pham district police official pingna apam chili yong vaya kala situation ji inspect vasaya security forces na apam chi mi marazang khawai sakham haira kala search operation launch sahaira arira shungda tukui ka haima leiranga kachi katha insurgent outfit na bomb ka hai khala gaji mapha ranga kala long naw khi khana claim mara saranga Imphal Memorial we railway line we khanawa location survey hi hapta mati we alungli ha phokhara jili langda Imphal to Jiribam railway project hi December next year we alungli kupsang hara chia 2023 He IR Railways we Union Minister Communication and Electronic and Information Technology Aswini Vaishnaw na City Convention Center li intellectual meet Singaka Zanghai we thili paume bingli khamadui atam li kahangna Chief Minister N Biren Gala Rajya Sabha member Ging Sanajoba Leishemba nala Breast Conference City Convention Center li Singaka chili Razangmia Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw na hangachia Agala aling the Chief Minister Biren Zanglaga ani helicopter in a railway project sites inspect savaya atumna project chui shongbongala alignment gala machamai thui kachia construction apamai na tangdala survey sami haira minister na hanga survey sathui ga hai sakhui ga highway thili project we apam psychology or sapo khawai chia section psychology project je atam ngarai cha dali sara da decide sa haira rather section akawi thili construction khangade akahi hopoka kha prime minister na project chili nganing sing ga hai yang sang khamim lai haugeda resources samphang dak lai psychology jin laga ngathor ngajin ma tailor railway project hi katha kui lungli kupsang khawai sara da hang haira amashana zimik sho thara da phanga thang kichi da inspect rasa da machan sang nuya
Very recently we have taken a very innovative step under guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Saab. We have taken a bandwidth, high-speed bandwidth from Cox's Bazar side. Because earlier, from Chennai to Bengal to Guwahati, then it was coming down to Manipur. Now we have taken a line from Cox's Bazar, 10 Gbps. That line is now stabilized. Now we will double the capacity of this line.
Breast conference li matuilaga Chief Minister N Biren na Union Minister we attention kuida ali kapung dambak nasun khawai apam chia local train service we ring railway lines yu kami khawai poya Union Minister na Biren li manga padlak la survey we othi hapta ka chum mati we alung li hapho khawai Prime Minister we khamaya khuilaga sanction letter mikara chia Railways we Union Minister Communication and Electronics and Information Technology Ashwini Vaishnaw na Northeast India li digital telecom we advanced connectivity hi chungmai khawai Bangladesh li khale Cox's Bazar we aina Manipur apam gachibali telecom connectivity problems widam me hauki gachis high speed bandwidth hi samphang sa khawra da hanga Anatui hi BJP Manipur na makok kami Imphal we City Convention Center li aya intellectual meet kwikakali ka hangna Chief Minister N Biren Minister of State for External Affairs Dr. R.G. Ranjan Gala Rajya Sabha we member King Sanajoba Leishemba la meet jili rangaruma line hi Chennai we aina connect sa kokui sahauda India we Northeast li telecom connectivity aina high speed bandwidth we facilities hi mathada malay manada Union Minister Ashwini na occasion jili khamadwili hanga Ari we khangaran li Bangladesh li 10 Gbps high speed bandwidth we connectivity line hi Cox's Bazar we aina akardala li ka shungla kaina set up saka high ara ka changkhani ka haira hilly setbacks masam phangla ka kha wave we capacity hi khanishi da matai sangra hina north east state kachivali telecom connectivity samphang khanga sak mangmaningla state we katewa achite kachivali washungra da anahanga facilities hi April we aina samphang sak hawra the Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw nang shitmi haira
क्या होता है कंप्लेंट करने से? कुछ मिलता है? नहीं मिलता है। हम जैसी कंडीशन में थे उसी कंडीशन में थे। कोई इंप्रूवमेंट आया? नहीं आया। मोदी जी जब आए 2014 में, 2014 onwards, he said, we are a large country. We have had a very glorious past. We have some of the finest engineers. We have some of the best medical doctors. If this kind of brain power cannot deliver, then who can deliver? We can deliver definitely. He changed the mindset. He said that no, don't go for the complaints wala mindset. Think of action. Think of solution. Think of getting the problem resolved. Think of going down to the people and understanding the points. Think of finding scientific ways of solving things. Think of understanding the heritage and culture of a place.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee with President Loken na BJP li malung vatla kai na hanghai ragaje New Vision li hanghai athishu da corruption hi sachiman haura jilaga ngashit ka hai jima samira tuwajia ana hangda lupa 500 to 600 corruption charges wivang ot kasana kai khali ot pamaina kakatat chimaning la BJP hi na yari kuchung khali crore ka da we amanai na corruption charges hili katom dale jahaira Ishok Makha Abunba Community Hall Committee na Organized kasa Nambol Assembly Constituency we Nambol Ishokli Khale Community Hall ji tharkat kaka atam jili tui hi kahangna chithangwi maram ling azek laga ana hanga BJP na thui ka high general election ling shit ka high kala hanga high vision document ji masami ro turajia Department kuchung ka wi chili ngasoda IRB wi porikha tha ka high result arena tangda mabaw shok mirang kachi hina ari hon mayer ngala bing wi mirin mang sa shoi khami maningla achung wi mirin shongza la za chi khang sak na chia MPCC president na privatization wi sang high ning ka kashak thongshoka birti kandrajit international airport hila privatize haula baya chitha da sada ot sada khle athum gai khali ot pamai na khushok ka high shok paya hina ari hon mayer ngala bingwi ot pam ning shit ka hai jili ning phaning khangadai khira hai paya da ana hanga Oinam Mayai Laikali Kathar Water Supply Scheme Wivang Oinam Assembly Constituency we MLA L Ratha Gishorna Foundation Ngalung Khaninga Mihaira Scheme hi Jal Jivan Mission Har Ghar Jal Scheme we Azingli Khikakana New Development Bank we Aina 80% funds kala state government with 20% funds in SMK kida khalai scheme kathar hi 2022 li kupsang khawai ning rin sa dale zone 1 kala zone 2 da khaira zone 1 hina 9 crore in SMK ka 0.51 mld capacity khira zone 2 hina 13 crore 7 lakh 25000 rupees budget ina 0.42 mld capacity leira water supply scheme kasem hi Unipro Techno Infrastructure Private Limited Haryana na Khwikara Constituency we Karanao Bingwe Taru Kathar Mankhawai Kachiwi Ningrin hi Ara Kachangkat Rasho Khawra da MLA Ratha Kishorna occasion Jili Kamadwi Hanga Constituency we mi bingna Mankhawai Taru Ngaran mi Khawai Scheme hi Zingum Akawi Alungli Kupsang Hara da Anahanga Mi kai kana scheme hi rara da clay general election we publicity stunt na da kamatui jili water supply scheme hina election li ki kasa khawai malai mana da ana hang haira
Hojik dari government Narendra Modi ji ki government sini MD sini government na ato puga mana de ai koi na mat praja ga kari ko mamat ai koi mitha kotha ai koi kari ko mamat ai koi aram ga tobse roi paisa kaya no तगुबु थबुसी करी करी आइटम नो करीनो है बसे प्रजा का तानरे का प्रजा का चमिनरे का प्रजा का पन्ना ए कोई कमिटी से के तौजे गने
Oinam SCW MLA L Ratha Gishore Additional Chief Engineer Aina EAB we Project Director BWB Y Joy Kumar Dangchui Kernau San Gala Oinam Water Supply with members being Foundation Ngalung Shungaka ceremony jilirang aruma Rara the Khalai General Election Masarang Lakha Masangla India Congress Committee with General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Padra Manipurli Yaung Labai AICC na kahanga thishuda Priyanka hi roadshow ngarum khawaiwang stately tharawi tarik tharada jikoli ung labaya chitha sala la roadshow hi apam gachili kajili makhok sikhala dang zektale ana yaw unga haithili masangla Congress wi kathana Sonia Gandhi aina AICC wi kathana Rahul Gandhi state hili yaw ungra samga phangbao athishura yaw ungi da khalai hili MBCC na khangaran sa da leji Azadi ga Amrit Mahotsav we akai sa da Dengnobal district li khalai Khangsim Khuli Supervision of Information and Broadcasting Ministry Government of India azingli 2-day photo exhibition he field Borough Jandal district na makhokmi da aya kwika haira Imphal region with additional Director General PIB B Narayanan Sharma Dengnobal headquarter with IIS Subdivisional Officer DH Manoranjan MCS Khangsim Village Authority with Chairman Dongringtel Sagagala Regional Outreach Bureau Imphal Regional Office with Additional Director A Ibomja Sharma la program chilirang ruma Ningkhan khangarar bing with jikat mi kahai gala atung wi phaijon khayun hi itum na phaning ungjing phalungra da Imphal Region PIB with ADG Narayanan na occasion jili khamadui li hanga British Army na itum li paila kai na yi ka shap hi itum khangashik makhlei wi wang na itum na Great La Cast Makhai ngrog la akasa da khalei tharan itumwi yang ga shaping na mayurar mara khanui thot pingli patriotism wi ning chu krei ga sangdar gar saya da ana hang haira
in the rest of India but also in Manipur in fighting against the British and in fighting for a free country. British troops were in India and they were dominating a country of 300 million people. How did that happen? How did that happen? Because we had no unity among us.
Program chiwi akai sa da gathem thangkhamai bing na COVID-19 vaccination we kan khana maram limatuya. Rara da khalai general election hi Kakching Assembly constituency we mi ping we wang. Awi pamli manganingrer la party ngajeshon gachi constituency we MLA sagasa yeng khom sur generally lesson dam khami adam nada Paradia Janata Party Yuva Morcha Kakching Mandal na hanghaira. Why Surchandra hina Congress MLA sada Dharm Katum Wikahaina da BJYM we working president Kakching Mandal Nauram Maheshna Aya Kakching Mandal BJP we officially breast meet Kwikagali hanga. Chithalala ana party Joha Hailaga April 2017 li Chief Minister N. Biren Nagathan BJP coalition government li Bagutom to Hawa, Karaja Sabha elections Adamli ana Lushida 2020 Kumli Congress li Ungzang Lushida. Hikatha mili SCW mi bing na boycott Sapalung Rada Mahesh na hangaira.
Manipur da laiba political party kudimuna su marksi intuklaba miyoini haibasi ai tasengna thamjari aduga hairiba mahaki ojinam thiba sigunaba maki ngarangna rally duda mana haiki wafum kaya dasu sarkar sembada yaugani hariba wafum kaya sina Kakching da laiba Kakching kendra da laiba naha singda aduki matik chamamna ba toibase mahak sumba leader saba adumnaba Kakching gi ex MLA se akoi mayam changdana biko tawmina si haibo khomje thamjege
La Lushida Kamataya Baubing State government na Manipur li ILB implement sa kawai challenge khara psychology nga sungra the Chief Minister N. Biren hanga. Aya Ushoy Bokpi Sangom Shangwi Taubal District li Bom Kangogli AR personal akati haira kala kangaday akasaza haira. Imphal na hopok laga more we railway line final location survey hi kachang mati we alungli hopok haura kapung dambak ngasun khawai abamli ring railway line le haura chi haira. Mami TV Tangkhul News aju wibao hiling chang haira le khaya zemi shong sarano.